Hello everyone and welcome. My name is Rishabh Kanoji and in this video I'll walk you through my Kaggle AI Agent intensive capstone project. So the problem was that I wanted to solve is that good content takes too long to produce, so like a typical blog article requires research, structured outline, full draft, editing, refinement, SEO optimization and also traditionally this requires multiple people, but here we replace the entire editorial pipeline with six coordinated AI agents, each with a specific role, which is a research agent, outline agent, draft agent, critic agent, SEO agent, and in the end, evaluation agent, which will give us a complete end-to-end content creation workflow. So let's run this project. I'll run the project through Streamlit UI that I have built for this project. Here's what our Streamlit UI will look like, and in the blog topic you could put any topic. So for an example, let's say how multi-agent AI system improve developer productivity. So in the left side bar you could also select the tone, the topic, the audience and the word count. So I'll leave it as it is as a default, and when we will hit the generate button, we could see in the console log that will show you the real-time execution of the pipeline. So it will take few times, so we will wait for that. Okay, so once the pipeline work is completed, you can go to agent steps where you can see uh, each and every steps output, and in the end there's an evaluation agent also where this section shows how the system scored its own output, and in the final blog you could see your final blog being generated here. Okay, and once the full blog will be generated, you could go to the download section where you could download as a markdown or a txt file. And in the history section also, it will show every run is saved in history for references. So the result is polished SEO friendly article with metadata and measurable quality scores. So the project demonstrate a complete production style multi-agent workflow which will include the tools, memory, context engineering, observability, and evaluation, all wrapped inside a user-friendly interface. So thank you for watching.